Hey there, and welcome to Launch with Lori. Whether you're diving into app tutorials or gearing up for an online business venture, you're in the right place. Let's get started. In today's tech tutorial, we are going to install and download Canva for Windows PC. Open your Google browser, which, by the way, you can use any browser that you want. Then head on over to the Canva for Windows download page. I've included the link in the description below. Click on the Download Canva for Windows button. To check on the progress of your download, you can click on the download icon here at the top. And once complete, go ahead and click on the Canva setup to open and proceed to the next step. Once your download is complete, you will find the Canva app shortcut on your desktop, and it will automatically open the Canva app window. Log in through your browser by clicking on that purple button here. It will then open up a tab in your browser where you can log in. Now, if you are already logged in through Canva, just click on the Yes, Continue to the Canva app, and it will reopen your Canva app. If you're not logged in, or if you need to log in using a different account, click on the button here at the bottom. So since I am already logged in, I am going to just click on Yes, Continue to the Canva app. A pop-up message will appear here at the top, which confirms whether you want to open Canva within the Canva app on your desktop or open it within a tab on your browser. If you want to always open the Canva app on your desktop, you can click on this option here. If not, you can leave it blank and then confirm that you want to open your Canva design within the Canva app. You now have the Canva app installed on your desktop. If you want to pin your Canva app onto your taskbar, hover over the Canva app icon, then right-click and click on Pin to Taskbar. Well, that's a wrap for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell. You know the drill, because every Thursday, I'm dropping fresh knowledge bombs. If you have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and stay creative. Catch you in the next one. Cheers, y'all.